We're here in Paula Deen's, and I have here my collard greens, candy yams, baked beans, mac and cheese, pot roast with rice, chicken. That's roasted chicken and biscuit, and sweet tea, southern sweet tea here in Paula Deen's.
We're from Michigan, and we're happy to meet my boy here.
Yeah.
Follow his channel.
Yes, thank you guys.
Subscribe, like. He's awesome.
This is Paula Deen's restaurant here in Nashville, Tennessee. And this is the menu. They don't allow here to take out food because they don't have any takeout boxes available. Paula Deen's, let us cater for you. And right over here, there's Paula Deen name, but it's not lit up. And this is Paula Deen and her two sons, Paula Deen's. So, I had a wonderful meal. Really made me so full. Paula Deen's. And over on the other side, there's Oprah Meals, TGI Fridays, and over there on the far end is Madame Tussauds, Nashville. Guys, we're here in Paula Deen's, and I have here my collard greens, candy yams, baked beans, mac and cheese, pot roast with rice, chicken. That's roasted chicken and biscuit, and sweet tea, southern sweet tea here in Paula Deen's. This is pot roast with rice. Paula Deen's. This is the least amount of food I could order. They won't let me order lesser than this. This is the southern sweet tea. Mac and cheese. Very good. Collard greens. Candy yams, sweet potato.
Need anything or good for the moment?
For the moment.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Baked beans. This is the biscuit. They said that I could take out the dessert, but none of this can be taken out. Chicken. Tastes really good. Okay guys, I'm gonna continue eating now guys. At least, you know, I tasted each one of them. This is the biscuit. Everything tastes good. Sweet tea. Okay guys, this is their menu. Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. Family style dinner. What's your name?
Cole.
Cole. Yeah.
Cole.
And he's with Laura.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they said that this dessert is ugu ugi what?
Gooey gooey butter cake.
Gooey gooey butter cake.
Gooey gooey butter cake.
See, this is the one. Yeah, gooey gooey butter cake. Like you said, you know, desserts can be taken out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
Okay, good to
gooey
go?
butter cake. Yeah. Okay. But I'm making good progress. But just in case, forgive me if I won't be able to eat all. Yeah. Next time I have to bring someone.
You have to bring
Yeah.
fast beforehand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't eat
Yeah.
for like a week.
Okay. I just hate for the food to go to waste, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's how it is. Yeah.
Yeah. But we'll pick that up whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you. So the price for my meal is $32.49, and then if I give 20% tip, it's about $6. And these are all the food. This is the progress I've made. This is, you know, pot roast with rice, yams, collard greens, mac and cheese, baked beans, roasted chicken, and biscuit. And this is the dessert. The chocolate, like a chocolate pudding or something. And sweet tea. It's like I finished everything except for this baked beans. I'm giving up. I quit now. Can't eat it all. They have lots of souvenir items here in Paula Deen's. Some aprons. Mr. and Mrs. Paula Deen pictures.